Excel for HR, analytics. Topics of group project using Excel or Power BI. Or both. Executive dashboard. It offers a comprehensive snapshot of key workforce metrics, including employee headcount, diversity, recruitment, leaves, terminations, training, and other essential indicators using Excel or Power BI. Recruitment analysis. Gain comprehensive insights into your recruitment analytics. Explore metrics like active job openings, successfully filled positions, the most and least effective sourcing methods, and the total number of completed interviews. Hiring analysis. This dashboard presents an all-encompassing perspective on the recruitment journey. Acquire a transparent grasp of key performance indicators, including time to hire and time to offer, influenced by elements such as job tier, expertise, operational division, and geographical location. Diversity D&I. This dashboard displays a variety of metrics reflecting the company's diversity, including the representation of women in senior roles and the distribution of employees across generations. Performance analysis. The dashboard offers an analysis of performance considering diverse factors such as length of service, seniority, and gender. Termination analysis. It contains termination analysis in different categories like business unit, age, tenure range, contract type, employee type, gender, and the reason for termination. Salary analysis. The dashboard includes an analysis of average salaries across various categories, such as business divisions, months, gender, age groups, seniority levels, and geographical locations. Leave analysis. This dashboard helps to provide the HR teams with the average total leaves taken by the employees. It contains the analysis of annual leave, sick leave in different categories. For example, business unit, age, reason, leave type, date, and the cost analysis of annual leave.